The question number 33, consider the following statements. Scientific studies suggest that a shift is taking place in the Earth's rotation and axis. तो साइंटिफिक स्टडीज सजेस्ट कर रही है कि जो शिफ्ट इज टेकिंग प्लेस इन रोटेशन ऑफ अर्थ एक्सिस, जो अर्थ का जो टिल्टेड एक्सिस है उसके अर्थ के रोटेशन में कुछ चेंजेस आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है. द सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट इज सोलर फ्लेयर्स एंड एसोसिएटेड कोरोनल मास इजेक्शंस bombarded the Earth's outermost atmosphere with a tremendous amount of energy. You might have seen witnessing the changes in the temperature and climate things. Third statement is, as the Earth's polar ice melts, the water tends to move towards the equator. All three statements are correct at its own. लेकिन जो second statement है वो first और third statement से कोई link नहीं दिखा रहा. The second statement is correct, but it is not showing any links. The second option is both statement 2 and statement 3 are correct, but only one of them explains statement 1. Yes, the third statement explains the first statement. Only one of them statement second and third is correct and that explains statement 1. No, तो तीनों statement correct हैं तो one of them नहीं हो सकता. Neither statement 2 nor statement 3 is correct. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, तीनों statement correct हैं. We choose option B because both statement 2 and statement 3 are correct, but only one of them, which is the third statement, explains the statement 1. Option is B.